In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register for Amazon Business. As you embark on this journey of setting up your Amazon Business account, the first thing you'll need to do is enter the email address that you would like to use for your business account. Selecting the right email is crucial since this will be the primary way Amazon contacts your business. Make sure it's an email address associated with your business, perhaps one that provides access to important personnel in your organization. Once you have your email ready, you'll need to complete the authentication step. This is an important security measure to ensure that your account is well protected. Depending on the options Amazon provides, you might receive an authentication code via email or a one-time password to your registered phone number. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this process and make sure you have access to your phone or email for this step. It's all about keeping your business account secure so only you and authorized personnel can access it. After you've breezed through the authentication, the next task is to provide your business details. These details will include your business name, address, phone number, and possibly other relevant information like your company's registration details or tax identification number. Take your time filling in these fields accurately because these are the details Amazon will use to verify your business. Ensure that the information matches any official documentation you may have, as this will streamline the verification process. Once you have submitted all this information, Amazon will kick off the verification of your business details. This step is vital as it ensures you have a valid business that can work within Amazon's platforms. During this time, the Amazon team might contact you for further details or documentation to complete the process. Be sure to keep an eye on your email for any communication from Amazon and respond promptly to any requests they might have. This can help speed along the processing time, getting your business up and ready to start using Amazon Business's extensive features more swiftly. Congratulations, you're now on your way to completing your registration. By following these steps with care, you're setting the foundation for using Amazon Business to take your operations to new heights. Remember, accurate input during registration helps prevent complications later, so it's worth spending the extra minute or two now to ensure everything is spot on. If you ever run into issues or need more help, Amazon's customer support is an invaluable resource, ready to provide the assistance you need. We wish you success on your path to growing your business with Amazon. Thanks for taking this journey with us, and we'll see you next time with more helpful resources and guides.